Hello folks, this is Audiotron 1003 and this time I'm reviewing the Technic Lego set 42006 Grabber. As usual, let's have a look at the box. This is pretty much as you'd expect. The reason for this video was to show you how I improved the power functions and also enhanced a few of the unfinished parts of the model that I felt could be improved. First of all, we'll have a look at what I've improved. So I've added half yellow bushes there and there, because on the box and also obviously on the model it's just pins sticking out. I didn't like those. I also changed a beam, an axle round here to sort of blend it in because it was sticking out, looked unfinished. The original beam there was a half beam and it was grey, so I changed it for yellow. Down here, this is now a 3M friction pin, whereas in the past it was an axle with a stop and a bush on the other side. Well, I thought I could do better than that, so I simply improved it to make it look a little more aesthetic. The cab, I've filled in the roof with two half 4M beams. I've also completed the seat because that was unfinished, so I decided that needed a 2M black beam. Okay. The main reason for this video was to show you how I improved the power functions, because when they add the switch to this, it kind of takes away the aesthetic appeal of the model by having it somewhere here. So I decided to mount it down here, and I simply pinned the 6M square beam to the bottom of this one and then simply attached it like so. A little difficult with one hand, but there you go, and it works perfectly fine. One more thing I'd like to show you regarding the power functions is I managed to get it to a 360 degree turn like so, and I achieved this by simply threading the motor through the turntable down to the power box like so. Okay, this friction pin is simply there to help me to slide it along to switch it off and on without having to pick the whole thing up. A couple of other things I've done before I go. I've changed these bushes to grey so that they blend in with the appearance, and down here, these bushes here, if I bring it in closer, some of them were 3M friction pins. Well, I find it a lot easier if I use these, so I simply replace the 3M blue friction pins with friction pins with bush stops. I've done the same on both sides because it's a lot easier to take the battery box out and everything with these as opposed to the old pins. So if I put this back, basically that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Bye.